I am Dmitry Lerman. I'm Director of Marketing at Charge Anywhere. Charge Anywhere specializes in secure mobile payment technology. We enable mobile payments for traveling merchants, give them the ability to take credit card payments in the field with our mobile payment solution. The solution consists of a software application that would be on a Verizon Wireless smartphone, such as a BlackBerry, Windows Mobile, or an Android smartphone, connected via Bluetooth to our card reader and receipt printer. Altogether, the solution gives people a chance to make more money in the field, but this solution is very affordable. A small merchant can easily afford it with a little bit of a software fee that's sold monthly as software as a service. We're looking for somebody who's in a business-to-business situation, somebody who's delivering goods and services outside of a storefront. This solution is perfect for retail, construction, transportation, distribution, and many other verticals. For example, a traveling merchant that is selling goods door-to-door or at the flea market, a cab driver or limo driver or a delivery driver can use our product to take payment in the field for either the full amount or part of the amount using the customer's credit card, a signature debit card, or checks for that matter. Verizon Wireless has been an amazing partner for Charge Anywhere, giving our solution a wider reach. By the same token, Charge Anywhere is helping Verizon Wireless reach customers and secure deals where our solution is appropriate and the solution requires best-of-class Verizon Wireless service.